What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for LaytonSportsCards, ripping 2020 Spectra football 4-box number 47 random teams. Got Zach S. Rams, Stephen L. Pats, Joshua G. Vikings, Juan H. Packers, Tim P. Saints, Panthers, Texans, Titans, James M. Bengals, Tim P. Chargers, Paul L. Seahawks, Ryan W. Giants, Browns. Got Cameron M. Falcons, Cardinals, Boone Rye S. Jags, Brandon B. Broncos, Mark L. Bills, Jason M. Colts, Richard G. Lions, Anthony S. Jets, Jeffrey K. Bears, Roland S. Redskins, Chris M. Ravens, Patrick E. Raiders, Zach S. Steelers, Jeffrey H. Eagles, Grant G. Chiefs, Bruce B. Buccaneers, Alvaro A. Niners, Ryan G. Cowboys, and Richard T. Dolphins. Okay, let's do it. $40 to 05. Right? Oh, come on. 15 to 40. Got RPA, AJ Dillon, Packers to 50. There it is. Patch card Chiefs to 199, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Colts 3 of 5, Jonathan Taylor, Psychedelic. Bills to 60, Josh Allen. RPA Blue, Chase Claypool to 60. Nice one, Steelers. Jersey, CeeDee Lamb, Cowboys, 99. Jersey, Raiders, Clelin Ferrell to 99. And Panthers base 4 of 5, Psychedelic rookie Derek Brown. Rookie auto is Tommy Stevens to 199 Saints. Patch Bills, Zach Moss to 50. Colts die cut to 50, Jacob Eason. And a Chase Young base to 99, Redskins. Pink, rookie dual patch, dual auto, Broncos to 20 is Jerry Jeudy and KJ Hamler. Nice. Grats Denver. Patch card Panthers to 35, Luke Kuechly, Luke Kaluke, as Forrest would say. Got Buccaneers patch to 25, Devin White. And Keenan Allen Chargers to 60, base. RPA, Colts, Jacob Eason, 8 of 10. There you go, nice one. Got a dual patch Tua, Dolphins to 149. Packers, AJ Dillon to 75. Giants to 25, Sterling Shepard. What's up, Casey? Got RPA, Lynn Bowden Jr. to 99 Raiders. Triple Packers, Jordan Love to 99. Browns jersey, Greedy Williams to 99. That's 6 sleeves. And Bengals, Joe Mixon to 99. Cincinnati base. Rookie auto is Quintez Cephas, Lions to 50. So you still haven't played the Star Wars video game yet? All in order. Jeez. Got dual relic Jags to 149. LaVisca Chenault. You're so into Star Wars, you should try it soon. It really is amazing. Die cut to 30. Jalen Reagor, Eagles. And I like how there's like with the skill tree, you can like focus on like, let's say like combat with your lightsaber, you know, or you can focus on like doing stuff with the Force, or like robots, you know, droids. 75, Quintez Cephas on the back. So you can kind of like adapt it to your playstyle. Got RPA Orange, Vikings, Justin Jefferson to 15. And it's canon. It is canon. Relic, Seattle to 99. Chris Carson, Seattle. Relic, 75, Roquan Smith, Bears. Drew Brees die cut to 20. And Eagles to 35. It's John Hightower on the back. Number 3. Got RPA Ravens, Devin Duvernay to 50. There you go, Ravens. Dual patch, Tua Tagovailoa to 149 again. Dolphins. Niners to 50. Brandon Ayuk, rookie aura. Buccaneers, Tyler Johnson, the 60. What a catch. Nice. That's pretty sick. Got RPA Bills, Gabriel Davis to 60. Patch Cowboys, Dak Prescott to 35. Relic card, Seattle to 75. Shaquem Griffin. Chiefs, 3 of 4. Neon Marble, Tony Gonzalez. Congrats on the Marble, Gonzalez. Rookie auto, Jake Luton, Jags to 50. Jersey, Henry Ruggs is Raiders to 199. Die cut, Derrick Henry to 50, Titans. Chargers to 99, Joe Reed. Got pink, rookie, dual patch, dual auto, Antonio Gandy Golden and Antonio Gibson to 20, Redskins. Not bad. Patch, Titans, Darrington Evans to 60. Jersey to 75, Greedy Williams, Browns. 75, Henry Ruggs, Raiders. You know what they call cannabis in France?
They call what?
What they call weed in France?
What?
Weed.
Yeah.
Like OUI.
I get it. I get it. Yeah.
God. I'm tired.
I too. Damn, I keep thinking, I'm like, man, I'll come back here. Go home and sleep and drive back.
We got Dolphins auto. On card, Mercury Morris. To 99. There you go, Dolphins. Best team in the league. Got Patch, Tyler Boyd, Bengals to 10. Nice orange patch. Triple relic Jets. Denzel Mims to 50. Broncos, Von Miller base to 99. Browns, auto, Bernie Kosar. It's to 75, nope, to 30 for the Browns. Dual relic Eagles. Carson Wentz, Jalen Reagor to 50. Philly. Die cut Haskins to 50. Redskins. Devontae Parker, 75. Dolphins. Psychedelic Auto Steelers is Greg Lloyd. 1 of 4. That's pretty cool. Patch card Chargers to 50. Joey Bosa. Patch card Steelers, Chase Claypool to 60. To 60, Odell Beckham Jr. Browns. RPA Packers is Jordan Love to 25. Green Bay. Nice one. That's solid. Nice hit. Psychedelic patch. Falcons. 4 of 5. Matt Ryan. That's nice. Matty Ice. Got Dalvin Cook base. 75. Vikings. And base to 15. Sony Michel Patriots. And there you go. That does it, guys. Coming up next is more Spectra. Sit tight.